Yes, yes sir. It's a blessing. It's Shift and Drive with Shift 5. Hey, what's up, y'all? Just giving y'all an update on how to do spark plugs. Spark plug on the 6-cylinder BMW. See that? New spark plug. You have to use a special 12-point socket, which is this right here. It's a good tool to use. You don't have to remove none of this. You can actually sneak it out by basically taking this off. 2 screws from back here. Turn the light on. These 2 mounting points back. Take these 2 screws off. Those are T20s. And this front part, these 2 mounting points right here, those are also T20s. Make sure you remove the boot, which is this right here. Charge pipe. Be careful taking this out. I always recommend replacing this because of this breaking. Also, use this socket right here. Take it out. Install it in the home. Break it free. That's how you get it done. What's up, y'all? I'm back. So we're doing spark plugs. As you can see on the actual box, it tells you how many newton meters that you need to do to torque them down. 23 plus or minus 3 newton meters. Just want to give y'all an update on that. But yeah, it's not that bad of a job. Just take your time and you'll do great.